Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to install Minecraft mods. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search CurseForge website. Click on this link. Now go to Minecraft section. Then select mods from categories. You can find a lot of different mods here. Download your desired one. After downloading complete, copy the mod file. Now go to Run. And type %appdata%, then press enter. Click on .minecraft folder. Then click on mods folder. And paste the mod file here. Done. Now open Minecraft game and enjoy the new mod. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.